Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to transfer Solana from Bybit to your Phantom wallet. So first off, if you don't have one already, you can get your Phantom wallet browser extension on the Chrome web store page, but we will have a separate video on how to do that. But if you have your Phantom wallet on your phone, it will be much easier as we will only need to scan a QR code. However, there is a warning on the PC. If you have your Phantom wallet installed and you try to open Bybit, you may get a warning saying that Bybit is not a trusted site by Phantom wallet. And you can safely ignore that warning to access Bybit. So what we have to do is simply hover over to our assets here on the top right, click on withdraw, and on the coin, simply search Solana. And now for the wallet address, let me just open my Phantom wallet over here on the top right on the extensions. Now, I could click this directly, but I prefer to open the side panel. Once here, simply click on receive, and on the top, we already have Solana. I can click on this to have a bigger view, but if you tap on this icon right here, it will automatically copy the address, like so. And here on Bybit, we can simply paste the address. We only have one network. The minimum amount we can transfer is 0.03. This is the transaction fee, so make sure you are fine with that. Let's enter the amount, and since I don't have enough Solana on this account, I cannot hit confirm. And once you hit confirm, you'll then have to verify a code sent through your email, and if you have your Google Authenticator set up, you will also need to enter the code as well. Once that's done, it will process the transaction, and within a minute or so, your Solana should be in your Phantom wallet. It should reflect as dollars here, and you should see it right down here as well. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.